Okay, I'm going to show you a stretch modification of the double kneaded chest using the wedge. It's a really great stretch for your low back, especially if you've been stuck in that anterior pelvic tilt and you're having that kind of achy low back pain. This can be a really great stretch to help alleviate some of that pain and discomfort. So you're going to start off by just laying on your back. You're going to take that wedge and you're going to put it underneath your low back. So you don't actually want the wedge underneath your butt because we're not propping the butt up or anything like that. We actually want it into the low back, so that way it kind of helps you kind of round and curl the low back a little bit more. That's what makes the stretch feel great. Always make sure that the wedge is in a comfortable location. You may have to play around a little bit of where you want it so that it feels the best for you. So once you get that wedge in the spot that you would like it to be, all you're going to do is you're going to hug your knees to your chest. And when you do that, it's going to really allow you to hit that area of the low back that's just really hard to stretch without the wedge. In this position, you can kind of just hold it, let yourself relax into the stretch a little bit. You can even add a little bit of rocking back and forth if that's something that feels good. Other modifications that you can do in this position is you can actually do your happy baby position with the wedge because we're just bringing the knees up, which will help round out the back. And then you can also do the advanced happy baby position with the feet up into the air, which will allow you to actually bring your knees a little bit deeper, which will allow the back to be rounded into the flexed position a little bit more. Whichever one feels the best for you, because this is one of those stretches where you just want to do if your back is just feeling a little bit achy and you need some relief. So that's going to be our low back stretch using the wedge modification to the double kneaded chest.